Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to pair your Mi Fit with your Google Fit application. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the official Google Fit application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after downloading it guys, go ahead and open it up and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the info regarding your Google Fit Live. As you can see, this is the home page, and at the bottom of the screen we have all the sections that we can access, such as journal, browse, and profile. So guys, now what we want to do, the next thing is to download or aka connect our Mi Fit to our Google Fit on our mobile phone. So we will do that by doing the following thing guys. As you can see per these instructions on Google Chrome, you can see that these are the steps we need to take. So you just need to open up your Mi Fit and go to the profile tab. Then you want to scroll down and select add accounts, where you want to go ahead and select Google Fit and tap add Google Fit button. So you can just go ahead and log into your Google account button. And after doing that guys, you will now successfully connect your Mi Fit to your Google Fit account. So now we can go to the account section right here at the bottom of the screen, the profile section, and click the settings icon at the top of the page where we can go ahead and see all the info that we can see about connected apps. So just click on connected apps and it will show us all the apps that are connected to your Google Fit, and our Mi Fit will appear right here. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.